That's the cylinder damage that I have to deal with. I finally got it to come into focus. The piston decided to explode. And you can see right through it right there. Right there. It exploded. That's supposed to be right here. Yeah, this fucker exploded. Same with the connecting arm, that exploded too. So, I'm going to be boring this out, fixing that gash in the cylinder, and getting a new piston and connecting rod to repair this motor. Finally hear it straight piped running again. It's a V-twin 20 horsepower engine. Kohler engine. Kohler command. It's a nice little engine. This is these are the heads for it. I cleaned them up a little bit as much as I could. Get off them with what I have. Governor and oil pump. This is a nice engine. I'm used to repairing push mowers, air filter. It's got a nice round one. Shouldn't put it on that. Cardboard is fine. Oh, the hood broke off. This is the hood mount. Air filter cover. Got this engine in parts. Sorry about the blue light. My camera is my light is. I set a glass bottle or glass cup on the light bulb too long, and this is what I have now, a blue light. But it makes for looking at damage pretty great. Yes, I have no teeth. I'm a broke mofo. Luckily, this one only has some chips in it. I'm not going to replace this one. I'll just run it till it goes. Probably bore it out some more. Put a turbo on it. That's what I want to do, is turbo it. Turbocharged V-twin. That'd be pimpin'. A turbocharged Craftsman. I can see it now. But yeah, this is my parts layout. I'm a messy worker. I got an impact drill. It don't work. It shredded up one of my sockets trying to get the flywheel off. Never got the fucker off. I got the bolt off, but I couldn't get the flywheel off. But yeah. I gotta order parts or the tools to do this. I know how to do it. I just need the tools for it. I gotta get a honing tool. Gotta clean this cylinder out.